After Sinulog. Let's just get out easily, guys. Look at the traffic, the flood of people and motorcycles everywhere. Oh, cool. Oops, pabunggo tayo ni boss. Matay. Magawas namin boss ha. Salamat kayo. Oh God, guys. Like we're just too close to each other. Oh. Sinulog fever. Actually, the street dancing is not yet over, guys. There are 43 contingents. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. I didn't expect this coming. It's my first time here in Cebu. Hello. Oh, look at this. It's too dangerous. Oh, the crowd behind me. Oh my goodness. Going to South Bus Terminal, guys. I'm going home now. And people are also like going to their homes now. And we're stuck here in the middle of the road. With this music. In Sinulog, the best way to go around is to rent a motorbike or just like download the application Maxim, guys, and then you're going to let's book a motorcycle for you to to go to your destination here all over Cebu. Because if you use taxi, oh my God, you will spend a lot of money to pay for the fare. So motorcycle is the best, but at this very moment, we're stuck in traffic. Look. That's the crowd. Students are also on the sidewalk, guys. They're also walking along with these motorcycles. It's too dangerous now for the kids, the little babies. But still, Filipinos can manage this. Yeah. So this is how fun the Philippines is. Oh, it's more fun in the Philippines. Yeah, shout out. Pinsiyor. We're bumping each other now. Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam, if you have a lot of motorcycles, you also have it here in Cebu. World record. Cebu. I love it. Worst traffic I've experienced ever. With motorcycle, guys. I will never forget this. Only in Cebu. Say hi. Oh, cool. Happy New Year! It's New Year!